Check out this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the dark titanium, vinyl seat trim, remote keyless entry, GVWR, 10,000 pounds, 4536 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.73 ratio, trailer brake controller, integrated, tire, spare LT245/75R17E all-season, black wall and the pickup box, delete. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.